Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with our prediction video of WWE Draft 2020. We talk here about which superstar go to switch their brand, while which NXT superstar going to involve in Draft 2020. So we recommend you to watch this video till the end. That gives you a better idea about how Raw and SmackDown roster getting shaped after WWE Draft 2020. WWE Draft 2020 taking place for 2 nights. First night is this week's Friday Night SmackDown, while other night is next week's Monday Night Raw. So without further ado, let's start our video. First superstar in our list is Big E. After both tag team partners suffered from injuries, now WWE see Big E as a single competitor. WWE also consider Big E as a future world champion. So for now, Big E perfectly fit in SmackDown roster because there are still some unfinished business for him on Blue Brand, as well as there is a fresh feud available for him on SmackDown. WWE should build Big E's character slowly, and in the end, they can put him in the top title picture. Big E and Sami Zayn would also one of the fans who wants to see him on Blue Brand. So there is no need to WWE to switch their brand. Our prediction goes with Big E stay on SmackDown brand after Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is John Morrison. After John Morrison make his WWE return, only one good thing happened with him, and that is he become SmackDown Tag Team Champion alongside The Miz. Apart from this, there is nothing gone good for John Morrison on Blue Brand. Even now, WWE starts to use him as an enhancement talent, and now he is directionless on Blue Brand. So if WWE really want to do better things with John Morrison, then they should send him on Raw brand. If WWE switch Morrison brand, then they can give him some fresh feuds. So our prediction is John Morrison possibly drafted from SmackDown to Raw. Next superstar in our list is Matt Riddle. When WWE news comes out that Matt Riddle is going to debut in main roster on SmackDown brand, then fans speculate that WWE do big things with him on debut. WWE also did good to give him a feud against King Corbin at first sight, but WWE did not give right direction for this feud. Now fan looks bored to see Matt Riddle booking and loses it on Blue Brand. But we think that WWE can do better with him on SmackDown by giving him a feud against like of Sheamus and Sami Zayn. So our prediction of Matt Riddle is he stay on SmackDown brand after Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is Sheamus. Sheamus currently involved in a feud with Big E on Blue Brand. The WWE may stretch this feud for a long time. So in upcoming months, surely Sheamus and Big E feud getting more intense and personal. So if Big E stay on SmackDown brand, then there is no chance that Sheamus may change his brand. So our prediction is Sheamus stay on SmackDown brand after Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is Jeff Hardy. Recently WWE took off Intercontinental Championship from Jeff Hardy and looked like WWE no mood in to give him title back. So if these feuds end, then we cannot see him any legit opponent or direction for Jeff Hardy on SmackDown brand. So WWE may change the Jeff Hardy brand. So our prediction is for Jeff Hardy is he moves to SmackDown to Raw after WWE Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is Aleister Black. We now see any good thing to happen with Aleister Black on Raw apart from his short feud with Murphy. During his feud against Murphy, Black and Murphy delivered some high quality matches on Raw. But after that, WWE not book him proper way, and right now he is directionless on Red brand. So it's better that WWE switch his brand, send him to SmackDown. So our prediction is for Aleister Black is he go for from Raw to SmackDown after Raw Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is Keith Lee. Keith Lee debuted on Monday Night Raw just few months back. He is still newcomer on Red brand. So WWE not wants to switch Keith Lee's brand this much early. There is many things left that WWE can do with Keith Lee on Red brand. So our prediction is goes with Keith Lee remains on Raw after Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is Ricochet. It's been a long time that we not see that WWE give proper feud to Ricochet. Right now he is involved in directionless feud against the Hurt Business alongside Apollo Crews. But this week on Raw, we saw that WWE teased that Ricochet could be the next member who join the Hurt Business. So WWE could do this right, Ricochet remain on Raw. If WWE not see Ricochet as a top card superstar or mid card superstar, then NXT is a perfect place for him to go. So our prediction is for Ricochet is either he remains on Raw or he goes to the NXT brand. Next superstar in our list is Braun Strowman. After losing Universal Championship, Braun Strowman right now is directionless on Blue brand. Even WWE has no plans for Monster Among Men on SmackDown, and that is the reason why we see him Braun Strowman on Raw Underground and recent Raw episode. Through Braun Strowman appearance on Raw Underground and then on Raw episode, WWE already teased that WWE wants Braun Strowman on Raw brand. So our prediction is for Braun Strowman is he shifted his brand from SmackDown to Raw in Draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is AJ Styles. At first we trended AJ Styles from Raw to SmackDown few months back. The reason behind this was there is some hit between Paul Heyman and AJ Styles at backstage on Raw. So WWE not wants any backlash between them and trended AJ Styles to SmackDown. But after that we see Paul Heyman comes to SmackDown as Roman Reigns' advisor. So now again AJ Styles and Paul Heyman on same brand, and that is what WWE not wants to do. So our prediction is AJ Styles is drafted from SmackDown to Raw once again in draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is The Fiend Bray Wyatt. One more time we saw that WWE took off Universal Championship from The Fiend Bray Wyatt too early. But in the second time WWE makes sense behind The Fiend lose to title. And is still some unfinished business with Roman Reigns, who took off titles from him on SmackDown. Right now WWE put on hold feud of The Fiend Bray Wyatt and Roman Reigns for some time. But at some point in future we surely see a program between these two. So it makes sense that the Fiend could stay on Blue brand. So WWE whenever find perfect time for the feud against Roman Reigns, then immediately start work on that storyline. So our prediction is for The Fiend Bray Wyatt is he stay on SmackDown brand in draft 2020. Next superstar is Alexa Bliss. The reason behind Alexa Bliss stay on Blue brand is simple, that WWE newly made alliance of The Fiend Bray Wyatt and Alexa Bliss on Blue brand. So if The Fiend not going to switch that brand on draft 2020, then so Alexa Bliss. So our prediction for Alexa Bliss is she remains on SmackDown after draft 2020. Next superstar in our list is Seth Rollins. If WWE took on Raw brand storyline, then we found Seth Rollins and Mysterio family storyline is on the top. There is still some angle left to pan out in this storyline. WWE already invests very much in this storyline, so there is no chances that Seth Rollins switch his brand from Raw to SmackDown. So our prediction is for Seth Rollins is he stay on Raw brand after draft 2020. Our next prediction is combine of Drew McIntyre and Randy Orton. Here we talk about both Drew McIntyre and Randy Orton same time because we don't know that what WWE planned with the WWE Championship. Whoever that WWE choose as a WWE Champion, either Drew McIntyre or Orton who remains on Raw brand and other could go to SmackDown. So our prediction is whoever champions it remains on Raw while other is go to SmackDown. Here are some other superstars who remain on their respective brand. Brock Lesnar is on Raw, Asuka on Raw, Bianca Belair on Raw, Roman Reigns on SmackDown, Bayley on SmackDown, Sasha Banks on SmackDown. Now let's talk about NXT superstars involvement in draft 2020. There is no confirmed news come out about exact NXT involvement in draft. But here we are with some rumored superstar who could see in draft 2020 to switch their brand. Superstar in our list is first Johnny Gargano and Candice LeRae. These are the couple who done everything in on NXT brand already. So now it's time to call them up on main roster. So our prediction with Johnny Gargano and Candice LeRae is they drafted to Monday Night Raw. Next superstars in our list is Bobby Fish and Roderick Strong from Undisputed Era. The Undisputed Era time on NXT brand is now done because they have achieved enough success over there. So now this is the right time to call them up on main roster, and SmackDown is a perfect place for both of them. Next superstar in our list is Rhea Ripley. It looks like there is now no direction left for Rhea Ripley on NXT brand. After losing NXT Women's Championship, she lost her momentum on NXT brand. So it's better that WWE call her up on main roster, especially on SmackDown. because Blue Brand seriously needs some new faces in female division. Next superstar in our list is Tommaso Ciampa. There is enough time that Tommaso Ciampa spent on Blue Brand NXT brand. He won every single gold there and now looks like he's directionless. So if WWE wants to give him momentum, then call him up on Raw brand. So we want to see Tommaso Ciampa on Raw brand. So these are the all our prediction about WWE Draft 2020. In this video we give a whole scenario about how things could pan out in Draft 2020. Hope you all enjoy it. So if you like our video, then do like and share our video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for video notification. You can also write your prediction of Draft 2020 in comment section. So see you guys in our next video.